Good morning. Here is your first comprehension practice activity. In these activities, I'm going to be sharing some information with you about what we're going to be looking for, and then a passage followed by a short exit ticket that will give you the opportunity to practice what we talked about today. So what we're going to start off these mini lessons talking about is this idea of the main idea. And you've probably heard this term before, but the main idea is the point of the paragraph. It's the most important thought about the topic. So basically, it's whatever the text you're reading is about. There are a couple of different ways you can find the main idea. So one is looking at the title before you read. One is looking at information, words, or pictures that are repeated while you're reading. And another is when you finished reading, ask yourself what is being said about the person, thing, or idea, the topic. Supporting details are details that an author includes in the text that describe or explain the main idea. So these could be facts, they could be opinions, they could be personal observations or experiences, really anything that just supports what the main idea of the text is. So in this example, it says to circle the main idea of the sentence. So the sentence says, "My coat is blue and green with a red zipper." And what this is mainly about is the coat, right? So the coat is the main idea of the sentence. And then the supporting details that tell us more about the coat are that the coat is blue and red with a green zipper, right? So these are the details that the author includes to shape the reader's understanding of the main idea. And last is this idea of a summary. So a summary is a paragraph in the reader's own words that describes the main points of a piece of writing, right? So a good summary answers basic questions about the original text, like who did what, where, and when, or what is the main idea. It doesn't include the writer's own ideas or opinions about the topic, but it does restate the main idea and the main evidence that the original author uses to prove their own main idea. Um, a summary might include keywords from the original text, but it doesn't quote or copy information from the original. It is purely your own thought. So this is the passage that we're going to be looking at today. It's very short. We will start with pretty short passages and then work our way up to more complex ones as our time goes on. So this passage is called the Trans-Alaska Pipeline. The Alaska Pipeline brings oil from the north to the Gulf of Alaska. The big pipe snakes up hills and through gaps in the mountains. The pipe ends at the Gulf of Alaska. There is a spot with docks for ships. Pumps send the oil to the tanks in the ships. Then, tugs help the big ships glide past rocks. They end up in safe spots in the Gulf. Okay. Attached to this email, there is a 3-question exit ticket about this text. You need to use the passage that is included in this slideshow to complete the exit ticket. Let me show you what the exit ticket looks like. Looks like this. So, question 1 is, what is the main idea of the passage? Question 2 is, what details in the text support that this is the main idea? Select all that apply. So there's more than one correct answer to this question from the text. And the last question is, what's the best summary of the text? So which one best captures what the text is about? If you have any questions about any of this, please let me know and I will get back to you as soon as I possibly can. Thanks.